Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about the Galaxy Watch 4 and we're also talking about Google Assistant. Google Assistant was just available today for download. I got it installed on my watch and it's working good. So let's check it out now. Hey Google, when is Memorial Day weekend?
In United States of America, Memorial Day will be on Monday, May 30th.
Hey Google, what time is sunrise? Hey Google, when is Labor Day weekend?
In United States of America, Labor Day will be on Monday, September 5th.
Okay Google. Hey Google, is it going to rain tomorrow?
No, it won't be rainy in Cape Coral tomorrow. It'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 91 and a low of 74.
Well, there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.